Welcome to Frihiliana, presented by Dance and Wander. El Ingenio, once a sugarcane factory. The charming streets of Frihiliana. This is the most photographed spot in Frihiliana. Heading up to the viewpoint. Here's the spectacular view from Peñon Alley. This view was truly spectacular, just couldn't take my eyes off. In Frihiliana, each house is adorned with its own unique door, painted in vibrant and captivating colors. These doors add to the village's charm and character, creating a picturesque and inviting atmosphere. Let's take a closer look at some of these beautiful and distinctive doorways. Now the picturesque Garel Alley, famous for its tree pots, another most photographed spot. The Iglesia de San Antonio, a historic church. Our short visit to Frihiliana offered a taste of its beauty. We only had a couple of hours, but we hope this helps you plan your visit. Pro tip: consider hiring a guide to get the most out of your tour. Guys, don't forget to get packs of sugarcane candies from Frihiliana. Caution, they are addictive. If you like my content, show some love by subscribing to my channel Dance and Wander. It's Sai, SAI. Adios.